Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make Excel file read-only to prevent the editing. So let's start this my Excel file. Just go to the file tab, click on the info option and here in protect workbook, click on this drop down arrow and select the first option, always open read-only to prevent the accidental changes. Just click on it and just go back and close this Excel file. Just like close this and here you can see one dialog box open to save the changes. You need to save this Excel file to convert this read only. Okay, just click on the save and that's it. Now open this same Excel file, just double click on it and here you can see the one dialog box is showing the Microsoft Excel. Okay, the author would like you to open the sales data as a read only unless you need to make changes and open as a read only. Okay, just click on the yes to open this Excel file as a read only. I just click on the yes and here you can see your Excel file is showing in the read only. Okay. So this is a way you can make the Excel file read only to prevent the editing. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.